Boys and girls, this week we're going to add a few extra special things at the end of each day to celebrate moms. Mother's Day is on Sunday, May 10th. The first book we're going to read today is called Don't Wake Up Mama. It's by Eileen Cristello, and it's a fun one. Don't wake up, Mama. 5 little monkeys wake up with the sun. Today is Mama's birthday. 5 little monkeys tiptoe past Mama sleeping. Let's bake a birthday cake. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3 teaspoons coming up. 2 cups of flour. I measured 3 teaspoons. I'll get 3 teaspoons. Sift everything together, but don't sneeze. You'll wake up, Mama. Achoo! Achoo! Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. 5 little monkeys check on Mama. She's still asleep. We can finish making the cake. I have 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs. I have 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. Add 4 eggs. 4 little monkeys each get some eggs. And we need sugar and oil. Don't spill the oil. But 1 little monkey spills the oil. And another little monkey slips and falls. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. Crash! Yikes! 5 little monkeys check on Mama. She's still asleep. We can finish making the cake. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. Next, mix everything together and put it into pans. Then bake the cake in the oven. Another little monkey says, now we can go up to our room and make a present for Mama. 5 little monkeys start to make a present. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. 1 little monkey says, do you smell something burning? 5 little monkeys race past Mama sleeping. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. Oh no! The cake dripped all over. Turn off the oven. Save the cake. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama. Ooh, look, here comes the fire engine, says 1 little monkey. Shh! Don't wake up, Mama, says another little monkey. Where's the fire? Shouts a fireman. It's not a fire, sniffs 1 little monkey. We ruined Mama's birthday cake. Wait, says another little monkey. This cake doesn't look too bad. Frosting might help, says the other fireman. 5 little monkeys and 2 firemen frost the cake. Now we can wake up Mama. Happy birthday! 5 little monkeys and 2 firemen sing to Mama very, very, very loudly. And Mama wakes up. What a wonderful surprise, she says. But my birthday's tomorrow. Oh no, say the 5 little monkeys, but we can still have birthday cake for breakfast. Why not, says Mama. 5 little monkeys, 2 firemen, and Mama think the birthday cake is delicious. 1 little monkey whispers, we can bake another cake tomorrow. Another little monkey says, shh, don't tell Mama. Come back tomorrow and we'll have another book to celebrate our moms.